Hello, hello mes amours. Ki janouye. So, mwen avek anko, nou fon ti soti guys. So, epi an komande pou mwen fè an ti video pou nou kapab enjoy ti mouman avek nou. Honetman guys, se pa mwen chita la. Nou kon dou le reg nan kom. So, yeah. Mla, me espere ke nou enjoy ti mouman avek nou. So, it is anko here.
Oui.
You want to ask them how they are in Creole, things like that?
Oui. Ki jan wè YouTube. Komo wè YouTube?
What kind of Creole is that? Guys, ki mod Creole anko bay moun la? Ki mod Creole sa? Anko, what kind of Creole is that?
That's Uncle Creole. That's a special Creole.
Hey guys, mod kom. What you say, baby?
That's Uncle Creole.
Ask them how they are in Creole. What you say?
Komo the way.
And when you ask, or is everybody?
Komo wè.
Or is everybody?
Oh, komo the way.
One more talking you forget.
Oh,
what
ki
it
jan
is.
tou? Yeah, excuse me.
What you ask them, baby?
Ki jan tou? Yeah.
Oui guys, me espere ke nou tout an form. Bakon si nou wèm biye mwen men, paske mwen anko kler, pi mwen wèm.
I can also say Safas.
Oh, you can say in Creole?
Safase.
No, you have to talk loud, baby.
Safase.
You have to hear what you're saying. Me, I'm here with you, I don't hear anything what you're saying.
Safase.
Sak pase na bouche. Uncle talking Creole, guys. Say, okay, what kind of Creole you know? Say some Creole, because everybody keep coming and say you have to say some couple
Watch
stuff in
this.
Creole.
Oh, shit.
Not on the video. Why you have to kiss me on the video? Uncle,
Yes.
some people would like to know how you really feel after the prank.
Oh, God. Definitely not good. See, the thing with the prank, okay, is that, I think if anybody would, the last thing that anybody wants is when you go to a place with somebody and, you went there to enjoy your time with them, to sit down and have a good time, and here they are, talking to somebody else on the phone, and it's like, what? And then on top of that, it'd be a member, at least in her case, pretending to be a member of the opposite sex, which gets me mad because I'm like, well, who the hell is this guy? What the hell is he calling for? You know what?
Guys.
Just say it in a nice way. That's me saying it nicely.
Guys, bon m'explique nou koman prank lan te pati. Pada yo te vin, mde gen tan, mde piket, mat men gen panse prank men, like, mwen yo vin vini, epi tou mami vin vini, mwen gen zami vin vini, epi mte konsam, that would be good. Epi, just try, si bon da poste se pa bon, I don't know. And then you was like that, and then when you poste se tout bon nou te, an ko tap kome avek mwen. Se ke, an ko pat kompon sa mtap te, pi ma pete di Junior. Sak bel nan bakalaga, se
Yeah,
mtap gade.
Junior. Oh my God. When I heard that name on the phone, Junior, I'm like, who the hell is
Madem sak Junior mba hone. Ma mbeze
Junior?
non gason, pou ki yon non gason ki pou fasil pou mdi. E pi Junior mote nan te mwen bro, mdi Junior. Mdi tale Junior. And then, yeah, Uncle te vraiment fâché. Uncle was really mad, guys.
it was very upsetting because, she's over here, like, she says, oh, give me a minute. I'm like, how many minutes am I going to give you for you to come inside the pool? Like, it was driving me crazy, Because me, when she goes in the pool, I'm there, I'm ready to go in, right then. But of course, I'm seeing her out there. I'm like, what's going on here? What is this? And then when she tells me it's a prank, I'm like, I hate pranks.
And then, guys,
too.
Uncle say something. Uncle to go say, oh, la prank my back. Uncle say, you say to me, oh, that's a prank. But it is fâché, guys, après to go say, oh, that was a prank. After a few moments, mommy come on call, and then those, like, other friends, like, try to come on call.
Yeah, no kidding.
And then, après, to go say, oh, after a few hours, he say, oh, that was a prank? Okay, I will prank you back.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
I don't think so. Porque
Oh, she doesn't think so now. She won't expect it when it happens, but I've already got a really good idea. She's going to get it back in a really bad way, and she's not even going to expect it. I got 2 different ways she's going to get it back in return. That's going to be my revenge prank. You're going to get what's coming to you. You'll see.
So anyways guys, si ke ou ta reme wè plus video pou mwen mèm anko, ou ta reme wè plus video, so make sure ke ou kommente ki style de video ta reme mwen mèm anko fè pou nou. Baby, I asked them if they would like to see more videos about us and then what type of video they would like us make for them. They have to comment.
Put it in the comment section below. Tell us what you would like to see us do. If you want to see me jump from a 100-foot bridge, if you want to see me go and try to steal a car if somebody's already in it.
And then I see one of them, I think Ludni Dolce, some of those like them. Moi, you know, Ludni Dolce di kon sa. They have like she has a challenge. I don't know if she's a girl on, I don't know. Ludni Dolce, bakon si son fils son garçon.
Dolce.
Yeah, she said to you, she has a challenge for you.
Oh, does she?
Yeah, moun nan di kon sa li kon challenge pou on ko. Si on ko pale kreyol, se challenge pa.
Oh, and guys, remember too, for the Xbox Series X giveaway, I'm giving that Xbox away. I just need you guys to get subscribers. Try to get some friends and everything. Try to get people together. Subscribe so I can give it away, guys. I will give it away. We gotta get the 10,000 subscribers. So, guys, help us out here, guys. Barbara, tell them.
Yes, guys. On compte comme ça que they gonna give you la fait. La pa Xbox. Yeah.
Thing costs like $700 too.
Yeah,
it's an expensive piece of equipment.
Yeah, they dit que son bagay ki vraiment expensive. On eBay, some websites sell it for 1,000 something.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, li dit que gen kote ki veni $700, gen kote ki veni nan même $1,000. So la fe kado so pou moun ki subscribe yo, ou même ki partage, ou même ka pou m fè m voye moun subscribe, wap make non. E pa premier fois m kon fè giveaway so channel la. M konen gen moun ki habite ak sa. Moun ki volan, et puis moun ap kommente, right, Gege?
We, my love. We, baby.
Yeah, you have to comment and say who like share it to you, you know?
Correct.
And then pou moun nan join ni.
Yeah, you got to subscribe to have your first entry.
Like,
your second
comment,
entry ticket will be a like or a comment, and then your third, of course, be a like or a comment. So you can subscribe, like, and comment. That'll give you 3 entries into the Xbox Series X 10,000 subscriber giveaway. Make sure you add the like and the comment to that video. We need it, guys, in order to be able to give you the entry ticket. We're keeping everything organized on that one page. If you've already subscribed, you're already entered in. But if you have a friend, family, a son or daughter, a niece, a nephew, get them to subscribe, guys. We need those subscribers to give away that Xbox.
Yeah, you never know. You never know. So you may gonna be the winner.
Yes, somebody will win, and we will do more drawings.
Ou jom konen guys, gen do ase ou menm ki gen Xbox an, so menm lè ke ou menm ou pata use li, so bien peut-être yon lot moun use li, okay? So yeah, I'm happy to be with you guys. So sigon lot ti moment ke ma espere ke mwen jole avek nou, okay? Men sa moun,
oh, let's show them, honey. Let's show them what they have at the buffet now.
Je vous adore, so...
You want to show them what they have over there at the buffet?
I don't know.
We'll show them. They'll see it over there on our plates.
Ok, mes amours, je vous aime.
Love you guys. Adios.
Peace, baby.